Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to create your Just Planet account, and therefore I am going to my browser, and here I opened the web page justplanet.com, and here on the starting page at the top you can see the free trial button, and this free trial button you just left mouse click and this site here opens and you get an explanation which 6 steps you have to run through, and let us quickly do that. So here I'm inserting my email address. So here I want to have an account which is jpivideoacademy@gmx.net. I just insert any password that you might prefer. So then I'm going for my name, and then you have to confirm our terms of service, and you have to confirm the data privacy policy. If you want to read the terms of service, then you can just click here down below to open that. So here right now I don't want to do that, but now I am clicking that button here to send the verification code to my email address here. So now this is sent, and I'm switching now to my email program, and I see, okay, here I got mail from Microsoft on behalf of Just Planet. I open that, and here it says this is my code. I copy and paste into the verification and say verify code, and here now I say create my Just Planet trial, and then your trial is being, or your account is being prepared, and this takes a few moments, but then you will be able to work with your Just Planet account. Okay, now the account is created, and here now we are starting off by default in the resource group view, but from this point on I recommend that you fully complete the Video Academy, and in this regard thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.